Well, hello, I didn't see you there. I'm just getting my body jacked for the most epic event of the season. The 10 days of Proko.
Nope.
The 11 days of Proko.
So close.
The 12 days of Proko.
Yes.
The 13 days.
No, why did you go back?
Oh, it's just 12?
Yeah.
Shoot. We got new videos busting their way into your subscription box. Ugh. We got live streams that will melt your mind and your ass. And we have sales. Oh, do we have sales? So come on, my protein Proko people. Check it out at proko.com/12days. The 12 days of Proko will officially begin on December 13th. But the sale to save 15% on courses and digital tools starts right now. Just use the code 12days at checkout on proko.com. That code will be good until we wrap up the last day on the 24th. So strengthen those art muscles and get your brain yoked. See you all in the 12 days.
Commercial. That's a wrap.
I'm wrapped.
Stan is a wrap.
Um,
You're a Christmas wrap.
I'm not really sure how to best take this off.